Hello everyone, how to Tots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use MagicLight AI long video maker application. So first of all, you need to make sure that this app is installed in your device. Then simply tap on the open button. So you have to tap agree to get the full feature. So it is again to get the interface. So hold on moment so you can see. So there is nothing complicated to use this, but you have to create your account first to get the all feature. So tap here, you can see right bottom corner, it's a mine option. Also tap here, then okay, wait a second. So tap here, left top corner, it's icon, and the thing is okay, let me check it. So you can see a story video to generate videos up to 50 minutes and character, add unique character. So two options is available here. So simply type a story to video. Then you can see here you must create your account to continue. So I'm just going to create account, sign in with Google. So I already create my account. Then they will give you the tutorial how to use. Worried about getting 0 views, so got it. And training script, you can see here training script that trend. So you can see here content, basic script, so smart content also done. You have to choose the ratio. This is aspect ratio, this is for your long video, and this is for your short video. So I'm just going to tap it here. And auto, also there are many things. So you can see here it's a premium version. If you want to use the things and video language, you have to choose the language. Also tap here the all, then you will see here all the languages available in this application. So also only few languages here, so just tap English. And style, realistic, 3D q, 3D cartoon, picture. So you can see here a couple of styles. I'm just going to tap randomly realistic and tap the next button. So story main content is required. Okay, this is it. Historic main contents. Okay, so I have to create something. Okay, you have to give, you can go to ChatGPT to okay expand. I'm just going to tap here and training topics. Okay, I'm just run a script. I just take it from here, but you can create your prompt maybe from Gemini or ChatGPT. Then tap here the next button. AI analysis in progress, hold on moment. So you can see here story analyzing. So it takes few time because you have to, you can see you have to follow 4 step: content, cast, storyboard, and edit. So you have to follow all the steps. So they give you the, you can see here. So I'm just going to tap here, you can change cast, edit character, more character. So I'm just tap the next button, but you have to edit a character, auto cast, and just tap the all the things auto and next. So this is, so they're creating image. You can see here 23%. You can see here swipe. So it's cool, really cool and nice. It's really sweet. You don't need to edit anything. So once you're done, you can edit it. Simply tap on the next button. So here you can see this is the option dynamic. Simply tap next, and they said so animated, don't remind animated all. If you tap here, then you can see animated all. So confirm. I'm just going to tap here. Okay, but it's not free. Like I think you can't do it with free version. if you generate, so simply tap next and save it. So no title. You can edit your videos, you can give title here, you can header style, it's a cover, okay, no title. And subtitle, you can use subtitle here. So I just keep the simple, okay, this one, and you can add the music. So this time I'm not going, and after that simply tap the generated, and aspect ratio everything is okay, simply tap okay. So it's really nice. Like if you want to animated your videos, then you have to buy the premium subscription. Actually it's loading, it's generating, but it's only image. So if you want to generate videos, then you have to buy the premium, then it will be animated. All your contents you can edit, like you can edit text, cover page, or all the things. So we are waiting to get the last interface. So it's done. You can see here like download video, no watermark. But if you want to download this video, like you can see title, summary, and hashtag, so you can upload it. If you tap here,
rain cascades down the window.
You can see here, it's really cool.
In a moment of unexpected enchantment, a paintbrush of pure gold emerges from
So actually this way you can create videos on this application. And also they give you all the things like title, description, hashtag, so you can use it on Facebook or YouTube. So MagicLight, you can use it. So I'm just going to tap the download button, but it will be the MagicLight copyright. So I hope this video is helpful, so you can try how to create, and it will be animated. So you can see here, that's cool. So simply tap on the download button. Okay, allow all the download button. So it's saving now.